Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how can you fix your blue M10L Plus tablet which won't turn on or it's not charging. Fix 1. Verify charger and cable functionality. Use the original charger and cable that came with your tablet. Inspect both for any signs of damage. Test with an alternative compatible charger and cable to rule out faults. Fix 2. Examine and clean the charging port. Check the tablet's charging port for debris or dirt. Gently clean it using a toothpick or compressed air. Fix 3. Perform a forced reboot. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for 60 seconds. Release the buttons, connect the charger, and then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to attempt powering on the tablet. Fix 4. Charge the tablet. Connect your tablet to a power source using a known good charger and cable. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on. Fix 5. Check for physical or water damage. Ensure the tablet hasn't been exposed to water or suffered physical damage. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.